It's that time, everybody, 6:46, and we're starting off in GR where, well, this is the Grand River, but if we did elevate the camera, you'd see that the skyline has blue skies and what will be a lot of sunshine here shortly. Granted, the sunrise is behind us by about a half an hour, but of course that sun is going to get higher on the horizon, and it's going to be pretty forceful for the first few hours, but there will be some additional clouds mixing in as we go forth today, so not that complete sunshine that we did experience in Grand Rapids yesterday. You didn't have to go too far southward, though. You could even see some of those high/mid-level clouds in that southern horizon in GR yesterday. So once you got into southern Allegan County and southern Barre, Eaton, and southward from there, it was more of a filtered or even dimmed appearance to sunshine. And I do think the tendency is going to be for more clouds the further south you go again today, though some of those clouds will be making it northward, I do believe, into GR, mixing with sunshine as we go forth. Winds are light, 5 to 7 or 8 miles per hour. We've got a big area of, well, high pressure and warmer air that is starting to gather force here, especially shooting up through the central plains. And this is where some heat and humidity will be slowly but surely gathering and festering and then eventually bleeding out and spreading out towards the Great Lakes. Once we can get rid of this cutoff low pressure system, which I'll show you on the maps here in just a moment. The river flood warnings, the Grand River, Muskegon River, the Thornapple River, the Kalamazoo River, the Portage River. Yes, there are not many changes to talk about this morning from what I was giving you yesterday. Some of those rivers cresting later today into Friday, perhaps even into Saturday. And then we start to see improvement into next week, though that's when we begin to pick up on some more rain prospects, though I don't think anything flooding at that time. A live radar is pretty quiet, just the same system down to the south over the border of Tennessee and Kentucky, and it is spiraling and going nowhere. But later this afternoon into tonight, it will start to move back northward. So a weird track. It came out of the west, came across Michigan, or at least northern Indiana and Ohio, then dove southward, and now begins to go back northeastward. As it does, it will briefly get a bit closer to us, so it will spread some additional clouds in our direction for tomorrow, and you'll see temperatures brought down just a few degrees on Friday. We'll see about that. If we happen to get some breaks for sun, we're going to be right back to 75, likely will be today. And then once we get into Saturday, winds start to shift to the south. We get out of the influence of that upper level low to our south, and some of that warmer air through the central plains begins to make progress towards us Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And if anything, this morning, the model's looking even a little bit warmer. By the time we get to Sunday, folks, this word right here, it's been a while since we've had really humid conditions, but the dew points could be in the lower 70s at times early next week. That's a pretty summer-like atmosphere that is just a few days away. Here's that system I've been showing you. It is spiraling with some moisture and even a couple sprinkles or light showers into northern Indiana maybe later today, but I don't see anything in lower Michigan. Once we get into tomorrow afternoon, that same northern fringe activity is actually going to be a little bit further northward because the system will be traveling across eastern Ohio and Pennsylvania into the day on Friday. So could we get a sprinkle or a light shower for somebody tomorrow afternoon? It's possible, but I certainly wouldn't bet on it. The majority of us, like 97% of us, not looking at any rain on Friday. Most of Saturday is going to be dry as well. See some showers out through Illinois and Wisconsin there by early Saturday morning. That's a disturbance that's largely going to miss us, but it will come through on its southern extent and could throw down a shower or two later Saturday evening, early Sunday morning. Much of Saturday, most of Saturday is going to be dry. Most of Sunday dry, and actually I think a lot of Monday is going to be dry as well, but the afternoon and evening could get a summer-like pulsing shower or storm, similar into Tuesday and Wednesday temperatures, lower to mid-80s.
All right, back here.